Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Great to have you here. We're going to take a look at this watch today. Just a quick unboxing. TIMEX Ironman. Now the reason I got this in is I did a review of the TIMEX DGTL and I compared that to the G-Shock. And somebody mentioned in the comments, Dino, that people don't talk about TIMEX Ironman. And he's right. You don't see an awful lot of videos or mentions about TIMEX Ironman. So I thought, oh, I'll get one in. So I said to Dino I'd get one in and take a look. Now it took a little bit of time to happen, but I got one in. I was blown away by the different versions that there are of the Ironman. Now the Ironman came out in 1986 and I believe the G-Shock came out in 1983. So this is TIMEX kind of answer. Now this is the TW5M09500, which is a classic 42mm. Now I'm guessing this is a rework and is not the original. I'm sure it's been changed a couple of times since 1986. But as we'll put just up in the corner some of the other versions that are available. And there's some, well, mind-blowing range, a bit like the G-Shock. So this is the 42mm Classic. This cost about £40, I think. What's that, $45, something like that. Okay, now, TIMEX obviously went after a particular genre with this. They really did go after the athlete, the triathlete, I suppose, that they're aiming with this, hence the Ironman. So, it's a 42mm. Let me just take it off. I did snip this earlier, so let me just try and get this off here, and we'll take a quick look at the function. Oh, they're right, wrong way. It's well and truly put in here. Crikey. Didn't want that to come out. Brill. Right, okay, so I think it's all acrylic and plastic based. Let's pop the strap off. It doesn't want to come off very easily. I do like the strap on this is nice. Right, so I know it's got a, oh there we go, chrono, timer, occasion, I believe that's an occasion alarm. Alarm 1, alarm 2, alarm 3, and then back to the time? Yeah, okay, brilliant. Timer, oh set, oh okay. I really need to read the instructions, I think. Yeah, wow, I think it's got an awful lot of functionality on it, which is probably where it differentiates from the G-Shock really. I think it's all about the functionality. Oh, I see, so. I can start it from there. So obviously when this is on your wrist, if you're doing a triathlon, you can just press that on there. Must be easier, obviously easier to press. Brill. Okay, I'll just try it on wrist. Now, Dino, I know you're going to be the expert on this. There are so many different versions about. I'm sure Dino will be in the comments. So far I really like it. It's very light. Very light. I'm going to stop that and then reset it. Ooh, the buttons are really nice and pushy. I'm guessing they've made them really nice and easy to use while you're running or whatever. Hold to reset. Oh, there we go. Brill. Right, let's try this on for size. I'll show you what I'm wearing today, which is this Citizen BM8560. Review of that is coming very soon. I've just finished it. Let me just take that off. Right, so get this the right way around. Bear with me 2 seconds. Really just want to jump onto your wrist. And I've left the tag on just for now. Oh, there we go, on my 8-inch wrist. Well, it looks really good actually. Very light, super light. Again, I guess that's why they wanted to make them super light. I think it's 100 meters of water resistance, 42mm case. Of course, it's got that brilliant, the Indiglow. Oh, no, that's not going to be the Indiglow, is it? That will, I doubt you'll see it in here, but I will get some images of it with the Indiglow on. Yeah, really good. I'll be wearing this for the week, see what we think of it. Now, as I say, there's lots of different versions about. I know Dino's after a particular one called a Todd Snyder. I don't know what that looks like. I did Google it, but I seem to get several different versions, but I'm sure Dino will let you know in the comments. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.